Hey guys, what's up? What is up? Kuya Jason with Our Life in the Philippines. So, welcome to day 3 of my DIY landscaping and painting project. Just to catch you up, day 1, I had my buddy Albert come over and we painted the bottom wall, just me and Albert. We finished all that. And I hired two laborers for 600 pesos per day, and they did the primer on the side wall over there, the back wall, and then the lower wall. They did all the primer. Then day 2, yesterday, that was a disaster. If you haven't seen that video, check it out here. So what happened was, originally I went down and I talked to my buddy at Abelos, and I asked him how much for topsoil, and he gave me a price of $9.50 per 3 cubic meter. And then my wife says, well, let's check the other hardware store and see if it's cheaper. So we went there, and it was cheaper. It was $7.50 per truckload. They call it a mini dump. You'll see it in the previous video. So they brought it, and it was this. They call it mountain soil. Being that I'm not from the Philippines and I don't understand everything, mountain soil is fill. It's basically fill. So I wasn't happy with that because obviously we can't use this in the front yard. So we argued with the driver, and he said he'll bring better stuff the next load. So the next load came, and it was this. Still fill. You can see all them chunks and rocks and just garbage. So that was the second load. So I argued with the guy, and I said, what is this shit? He said, mountain soil. I said, we asked for topsoil. Well, there was some miscommunication there. So then I had to go down to the store, argue with the store owners. I'm not going to say the name of the hardware because of libel. And he said, he upsold me. He said, well, what you want is garden soil. So he says it's an extra 200 per load. And then he sold me this. So this was the next 4 trucks. And this shit is sand. It's like sandy soil. So this is no good. So I went to my buddy Abelos with my hat in hand and said, hey man, I fucked up. I need help. I need you to help me out of this bind. I said, what kind of topsoil do you have? And he says, really good topsoil, really fine, good topsoil for your front yard. I said, yeah, that's what I need it for, is the yard. So he says that he will bring a truck after lunch. So stick around till the end. Let's see how this day plays out, because I have no idea. He said he'll bring me a load. I can inspect the load. If it's what I want, I can go ahead and order, 4 or 5 more trucks. So that's what we're going to do. So today, I got 4 laborers, 600 pesos per day per laborer. All they need to do with the wall, just finish a couple spots that they weren't able to finish yesterday, like on the sides. You see where it's white? He's over there painting now. So just need to do the trim, little trim work there. Already got the second coat of paint. So about 95% done with the whole wall. So just need to finish that trim. So he'll be done. Then we're gonna take this mountain soil, all of that mountain soil. We're gonna take that, those 2, well, especially that one, and we're gonna put it back here where it does need some fill, especially against the wall where you can see the bottom. So we'll put all that back in here. Make sure this is all nice and level. And then the finer stuff we're going to use for any low spots, and where they're digging right now, they're digging out sand. That sand is like 8 inches deep. So they will, and then they keep finding these bags. Look, if you, my father-in-law, he's found 2 more bags buried. So he will use that stuff to fill, and then that sandy stuff for irrigation and drainage. We're gonna put just a thin layer over the whole lot. And it does compact. It does have some dirt in it, but it's mostly sand. So I talked to my buddy Jeremiah, who was my contractor that actually built our house. And I think he kind of felt bad about a couple things. So he let me borrow for free that compactor. So I just went and got gas and talked to Abelos. So I just got back. It is 8:30 a.m. It's already very humid. And so we're gonna put a thin layer, maybe an inch, run that compactor over the whole yard. So stay tuned for all of that. I think it's gonna look beautiful. Then once he brings that topsoil, we'll put that topsoil over top. So I want a good 2 inches of topsoil for the front yard and the triangle, and then the side over there. So lots of things going on today. So make sure you stay tuned to the end to see the progress, because I don't know how it's going to play out. You know, being new, not new, but I've been here for over 3 years, but there's a lot of things that are just different from the US. So keep that in mind when you move over here and you build your own house. Things are just not the same. When you ask for topsoil, you know, you gotta be specific what it's actually used for. It would be good to actually see a sample before. And so that's why he's bringing me a sample. So stay tuned, guys. I'll film throughout the day, all the progress, and we'll check it out. We'll learn together. All right, stay tuned. I don't even have to say it. It's hot. So let's check the progress. It is 10 o'clock, so it's time for the first break. So we got that big pile pretty much withered down. I want to put it along the sides of the driveway because it's got rocks and it's strong, so it's clay. So I want to have a nice base. So, you know, when people run off the driveway, park in the yard or whatever, which they won't be doing once everything's done. And for drainage. So I did all this myself. Did this. And they're doing that. So they filled in the sand pits, getting all the low spots. All right, check in later. Stay tuned. All right, guys, it is 1 o'clock, so we're gonna take a little gander, take a gander, and see what's been done today. You saw that little montage of that time lapse. Yes, I was working. I've been working, trying to help out to get things done. So we got rid of pile 1 and pile 2. Pile one, we spread back here. You can see all that fill. Look at all that sand that we took out of the yard. So much sand. So now I got a sand mess back there. This is pile 1. Put it around here because that was a big drop off. And then I put some back there behind the chicken coop. So these guys are spreading now. So pile 2 we used in all the low spots. So pile 1 went in the back, pile 2 low spots, and now the big pile, pile 3, which is supposed to be garden soil, which definitely not. We're putting on like a 1/2 inch just so we can use it. But like I said, it is kind of sandy. A lot of stones in it too, you can see. So we'll put a 1/2 inch. Then I think we'll run the compactor. See how that works out. At least we got some shade back here now. Like I said, it was 1 o'clock. Did get some big stones out of pile 1. So I cleaned them up. So we'll use those somewhere for decoration. But I'm gonna help these guys until my father-in-law gets up here. He's the 4th worker. So it's looking nice though, right? It's working out. Snuffy does not like people on our property. He's checking things out. That's a guard dog. All right, well, I'll check back with you guys in a little bit. Also, I'm waiting on that topsoil from Abylos, my buddy down there at Abylos. And then this is the vibrator. This is an Inko. So we'll see how this works. I saw online people were strapping weights to the top to give it some extra weight. So I don't know if we need all that, but we'll see how it works. All right, stay tuned, guys. I'll be back in a little bit. Watch till the end. Definitely want to see how this topsoil turns out with this Abylos. And then I'll order probably like 5 more loads if it's good. We'll see. I might not need 5 loads. See how far this 4 loads goes that we got. That was 4. So we'll see how far we can get with that. I still need to do the side of the house back there. So, all right, stay tuned. Man, my arms are numb. I was using a compactor. We got the compactor fired up. We're compacting the / garden soil. Hashtag garden soil. I think the lever keeps loosening. Let me check on this. It'll run good for like 5 minutes, and then I think the choke is like, the knob is moving. So it's gonna take a while. So what do I got here? I got a beach. All right, let's see how, I'm still waiting on that good topsoil, so we'll see how it turns out. Stay tuned. All right, guys, it is 3:30, and topsoil still hasn't come, so I'm not sure if it's gonna come today. So I guess I'll just wrap up the video. If it does show up, I'll put it at the end. But let's see what we did today. I told these guys go ahead and clean up everything and take off for the day because there's nothing for them to do right now. They finished pretty much everything I asked them to. So just waiting on that topsoil. So I told them come back tomorrow. Hopefully I have topsoil. If I don't have topsoil tomorrow, they'll have to come back Friday. So I'll tell them that I'll text them later tonight. So you can see that garden soil looks pretty sandy. looks better. I mean, it definitely looks better, but kind of looks like a beach. So got all that done. Had a lot of problems with that compactor. We only got to do this section here. But I heard a truck. Might hear a truck. Did all this side. That'd be nice if that truck shows up. Not sure if... Yeah, I really don't like this garden soil. I think maybe it'll compact after it rains. Cleaned up the back. The rake won't pick up these tiny little stones, so did the best we could. Raked up all this. Filled that corner where it was low. Couldn't believe how much sand was in the front yard. How much is in there now? All this. So yeah, I'm gonna need more fill in the back eventually, but that won't be until maybe next month, or maybe when my dad comes. It'll give us something to do. At least working down here, you're in the shade pretty much all day. Also, put dirt around there and behind the chicken coop. And these guys are cleaning. All right, guys. Well, we'll see if that topsoil comes. But if not, then I'll go ahead and end it here. So hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, peace.